Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening messages and scanning the top of the list for unknown or flagged senders. These are the likely spam threads. Once done, leave messages and open settings, then tap messages to access filtering options. Make sure Filter Unknown Senders is toggled on so iOS separates potential spam into a separate tab. You do this now because early separation reduces accidental clicks and speeds up later review. And it sets up system-level filtering. Now go back to Messages and select the Unknown Senders tab to review separated items. This is where most spam lives. Tap a sender to see details, then tap the Info button to view attachments, links, and reported history. This helps you decide if a message is dangerous. If you find clear spam, scroll down and use the Report Junk option or forward the message to your carrier's spam number. That reports the source and trains filters. Make sure to avoid clicking any links while inspecting. Finish by blocking persistent senders. Open the message, tap the sender, then block this caller so future texts never reach you. After blocking, delete the full thread to remove attachments and cached data. Then revisit Settings Messages and confirm Filter Unknown Senders remains enabled. Also check your carrier or email spam controls for added protection. If filters don't work or spam keeps appearing, reset network settings or sign out of Apple ID briefly to force settings to refresh. This often resolves stuck filtering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.